Hey everyone, it's the Eurobandit here. Once again with another classic stereo unit review. And this time I'm gonna review my 1977 to 1978 Technics SU-7300K stereo amplifier. Beautiful aluminum faceplate, which is painted black, of course. A special black color that I've only seen on Technics. It obviously has wooden cover. And a nice grill for the heat to escape. It's really a nice sounding amp and I'm very impressed with this amp. I really like it. And I do like these big power meters as well. The power is 41 watts per channel into 8 ohms and 48 watts per channel into 4 ohms. Two beautiful power meters which are obviously illuminated. They do have one light bulb which is very easy to change. I like that. Power switch, force jack, a speaker selector. You can connect two pairs of speakers to this amp, but unfortunately you cannot have them both at the same time, so that's not a good thing, but oh well. Meter range button, and that's basically if you want these meters to move more, because if you're not playing music loudly they're not gonna move too much. We all know that. It has a high filter, which I never use, tone control, bass, treble, balance, tape monitor, tape 1, tape 2, record mode, tape 1 to 2 or 2 to 1, input selector, tape monitor, tape 1 or tape 2, phono and tuner. And over here in this corner we have the loudness, as you can clearly see, as well as this nice and big volume knob, which is beautiful. And here's the back side, as you can clearly see. It's made in Japan. Phono, tuner, tape 1 and tape 2, and it also has a DIN input for the tape 1 as well as a regular RCA connection. And these are the speaker connections, voltage adjustment, as well as an integrated power cable. And as you can see, these two meters light up beautifully. Loudness off, loudness on. So overall, this is a great amplifier. I'm very satisfied with it. It sounds great. If I had to choose, I could live with this amplifier as my main amplifier for the rest of my life. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked this video of this beautiful 1977 or 1978 Technics SU-7300K amplifier. Hope you liked this video. If you did, why not? Thumbs up, check out my other videos, and why not subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, and have a great day or night, wherever you are.